Right, this is how to read, yes, read from a file in JavaScript. So obviously, like, for this code, I wrote it previously, so obviously there may or may not be some discrepancies with it, as in, like, it's not going to be, like, completely, well, it does work, obviously, etc., but, like, it doesn't exactly have the same pizzazz to it. So first of all, how to actually make a file. So if you stay here in files, this is application 16. So if we go on to application 16, which is right here, as you can see, done.txt is already here. This is because when you actually have to make a file, you have to make sure it's saved in the same place as your Java application. So obviously that's different for everyone else, but it's where you basically set netbeans to like check, open and close to actually save your projects to. So now, first of all, import java.util or whatever. That imports everything. So you don't need any other imports after that, but I think it's just good practice to be able to use all of them except for scanner, because I already know how to do that. So if you don't want to import everything, but like you don't want that all the time, you need to import these two. Import java.io.asterisk and import static java.lang.system asterisk. Simple. So we don't mind this bit. The first bit doesn't really do much. I can explain what it does. It gets an input and then it sets the first character. They set the character C as the first letter of that word. Simple. So now it's a try and a catch. So basically, the purpose of having a try and a catch is that, say, if the file is not found, then it won't give you like a massive block of text which says, oh yeah, this file isn't a thing, you moron. So instead of that, like in this case, it just outputs system.out.print file not found, because that is a lot simpler than trying to like make it seem as if you're printing out the entire block of text. So in this case, you need file reader fr equals new file reader done.txt. So file reader fr is setting that, and new file reader done.txt, that is the variable name, the file name. Then buffered reader br equals new buffered reader fr. So obviously fr is set to the new file reader stuff. So string, okay, you can set the string to anything, it's literally a variable. And then while okay, so okay is this part, equals br.line read line. So br is this, and read line is for every line inside the file, is equal to null. So while there is still stuff in the file, it will keep going. So obviously string str equals okay. That, well, as I've actually just already shown you it, there's nothing else to it. So basically it literally is file reader this and buffered reader that, and then make sure you have these two, and then system.out.print okay. That's literally all you need. This code does something else, but all you need is this, and instead of this you have nothing, and you need the catch statement. That is how you get an input. That's how you read from a file in Java.